I've decided I never want to miss out on another shower jelly in my life. I'm so excited. Oh, look at that guy. This was expensive. Hi guys, so for today's video I have another haul. I need to be stopped. Wow, no. This is probably going to be my last big haul for a while. Like, it is, definitely. I'll probably have little ones here and there, but this is my last massive one for a while. I swear they're getting more savvy at fitting like loads of stuff in small boxes recently, because mine is in like not a huge box, and I ordered a lot. So yeah, let's get started. So I've got a mega mixture. I got Halloween, Christmas, Haircare, random bath bombs, other collabs. I got loads of random stuff, I'm not gonna lie. But first thing I got was Bat Art bath bomb. Beautiful. Oh, that is so shimmery. Sorry, I'm gonna have to let my dog in the bedroom. He's sniffing at the door. I can hear him going. So Bat Art bath bomb. This is £5.50, obviously for Halloween. So shimmery. It's called Bat Art because the bath art is phenomenal, I would have thought. Was this the same scent last year? I don't remember it smelling like this. I thought it was more berryish last year. Let me quickly find out what scent this is because it's bugging me. I don't actually know what it is. Oh, it's junk scented. Oh, odd. I don't remember junk smelling like that. Weird. It's nice though. It's very, very strong, but I like it. We'll be excited to use that. I did get one last year. I do have a demo on it, but I will of course demo it again. So do stick around if you want to see that. And if you're new here and you want to subscribe, that'll be wonderful too. Next thing I'm pulling out, I did already buy one of these, but I absolutely love it. So I needed another to last me. I don't know how long it's going to last me because I've used pretty much half of the other one already. Oh my god, my hands are going to be stained throughout this video. And it's the Toil and Trouble shower slime. So you open it up and it's just a slime, and then you've got a little jelly, not a jelly, sorry, a soap bat in there as well, which I love. Yeah, it's just stunning. The product itself is super lovely. It makes your skin so soft, it's crazy. The scent is unbelievably strong. Like, I would even go as far as to say, don't come for me. It's just as good, if not better, than the scrub last year. I think it's really, really lovely. If you like Toil and Trouble and you were gutted about not having the scrub this year, definitely get yourself one of these. You will not be disappointed. The only annoying thing about this, I think it only comes in one size, which is a bit sad. It would have been nice if we'd had a bigger size with like 2 bats in as well. Do you know what I mean? But you can only get this in this size, I believe. And it is, how much are you? £8. Next up, I got a body scrub. This is the Snow Fairy body scrub. Ooh. Very pretty. I think I didn't get a Snow Fairy scrub last year, but I think they've changed it to this colour, so you've got a mixture of different colours in there. Whereas last year I think it was just the plain pink sort of colour, but I'm living for that. That's really pretty. Of course it smells like Snow Fairy. Oh, that's really lovely. I'm very excited to try that out. I love these kind of malleable squishy sugar scrubs. So good. So this body scrub was £10, and obviously I think you can get this one in different sizes as well, so you can get the big tub too if you want it. Next up, a little random one, but I haven't tried this in blooming years, so I just thought I have to get one, and it is the Big Blue Bath Bomb. Like, this was one I tried when I was younger, like young, like 15, and I don't think I've tried it ever since, so I was like, I just have to. I feel like this would have been a scent that I wouldn't have liked when I was younger. That's probably why I didn't get it again. But as I'm older, I like this. I appreciate it a lot more. So this is really nice. It's a really refreshing sort of scent. It's very, very strong though. In here, you've got like chunks of seaweed. I think you've got sea salt in there as well. So loads of good stuff in there. So I'm excited to try that one out. He was £4.50, so not bad really. Then I got a little tin as well that's just sticking out, so I figured I'll get that one out of the way. Really cute. It's a Christmas one, and I just thought it was really retro looking. It just reminds me of like old Christmas cards that perhaps your nan would give you at Christmas. Oh, which way around is it? That way. I just think it's really cute. So we've got like Christmas trees, and then a little town, a mountain, the sun, and yeah, just your standard tin inside. But I think I can put some bath bombs in there. I can have it stood up, I can pop it on my shelf, it'll look really pretty. And this one was a bargain, that is why I got it. It was, I think it was only a £5, £6, sorry. So I think that's really good, and it's really, really cute. We like it. Next up, I got, to complete the shower jelly collection this year, I got the Laughing Santa one as well. So I've got the Owlfish one and the Butter Bear is it called? Butter Bear one, I think it is. And then in my calendar under the bed, I've got the Snow Quiet Angel, which I'm so excited for. And I think I have another jelly in here as well, I think, unless I take it out of my basket, I can't remember. But we're completing the collection. I've decided I never want to miss out on another shower jelly in my life. I never used to be a fan of them, but I'm absolutely obsessed now. I have a little collection going, and it's just the cutest thing in the world. Oh my god, and I never want to be without it. It smells beautiful, just like strawberries. It's a very strawberryish scent, which is actually quite surprising because I don't think there's any strawberries in this. There's like apple juice, grape juice, lemon oil, lime oil, hoe wood. But it just smells fruity and strawberryish to me personally. But let's get him out and have a little look at him. Shit. Good job that tin was there. Oh god, there's so much juice. How am I going to show you this? He feels more like, now the dog's moaning to go back out. Meet mine at Dex. He feels like he might be a bit more delicate, like the like the Butter Bear one. The Butter Bear one did not fare well in the shower, I won't lie. He's lost multiple limbs. There was a head loss, everything. This one feels a little bit similar, with these legs especially, but I mean, that's fine. We'll demo him. He may fall apart, but I mean, it's okay. It's okay. That scent is delicious. So give this a sniff if you go in store. It's beautiful. Yeah, so we're excited to add him to the little collection of jellies. Let's pop him back in. Them legs are gonna be off straight away, I can tell. This guy was £12. I think the shower jellies are all quite similar in price, £11, £12-ish. Then I grabbed a little baby, what are they called? Ickle Baby Bot for Rudy Bum. I don't use bath bombs in his bath that often. I think he's had one in his lifetime, but he's coming up to a year now, so I mean, these are safe after 6 months. So he can have a little bath bomb bath tonight, which is lovely. I think this was £3.75. Yes, it was. These are great. You can also get them for a £5 with a shampoo bar in. Look at that guy. Which is such value for money. But I do actually have a shampoo bar out of one that I purchased previously, which I also use on his hair, and it's fantastic. Like, it's really good. Very mild as well. So yeah, I didn't need one with a shampoo bar in, but I just got him a little regular one. Why not? Then I got the, I think it's called the Dia DIYA bath bomb. Yes, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, Dia. And it was, this was expensive. this is a very big treat. This was 15, but I mean, it is big and it is beautiful. I feel like the yellow is rubbed off here, which is a bit of a shame. This thing here is a melt, so it will melt into the bath and make it all nice and moisturizing. And then, do you take this off? Oh, I don't know, do you? I don't know if that comes off, you know, so that you can't see inside or anything. Is there anything inside this? Is there anything inside that? That smells really lovely. This scent is very familiar. I'm gonna find out what it is. How interesting. Okay. So this is Sticky Date scented. Yeah. And then this is Tender as the Night scented. So jasmine, ylang ylang and vanilla. It's very, very strong but lovely. I'll be interested to see how they complement each other in the bath. Beautiful. That's going to be a lovely little treat. Very excited for that. Yes, I did get the other jelly. So the other jelly missing from my collection, because I didn't get one last year, would have been the Snow Fairy shower jelly. So I just got the basic Snow Fairy one as well, so we can add her to my little army of shower jellies. I don't know how many I've got now. I think it's not that many, 12 maybe. Oh, and my big one. I forgot about my big one. Oh, she's adorable. Oh, she's very strong. Can't beat that scent. There she is, the little queen herself. Is that even focusing? Gorgeous. That smells really, really strong. But yeah, I just thought, I don't have her in my collection. It feels like wrong not to have her. So I got her. She's so cute. So she was £6.50. Then I got the Brain Freeze Bath Bomb. Now, if you watched my Halloween spoilers video, I was like, I don't want that one because it is minty and I don't care all that much for minty scents. But I looked at him and I thought he's going to be really cute in the bath. So let's try him. And minty baths are really quite refreshing. So it's not going to be the worst bath in the world. And that does smell quite nice. To be honest, that reminds me of like polos, the spearmint polos. But yeah, we're excited to try him. He was £5 and he was out last year, but I don't think he had all the colours in from what I remember. I didn't get him last year, but then I got, again, I think this is minty as well, but I've pretty much tried most of the Christmas bath bombs, I think, other than the ones that are in my calendar that I'm saving obviously for Christmas. So I just sort of, and the Halloween ones as well, so I sort of just got the ones that I've not tried yet, do you know what I mean? Because I love a bath bomb. So this one is, what's she called? She's called, I think she's called Snow Queen or something. Yeah, Snow Queen Bath Bomb, £3.75. So she's one of the cheaper Christmas ones. So she's precious. I could have sworn she was meant to be minty. That is really giving me men's aftershave vibes. Or like a men's body wash. To be honest, it reminds me of my dad a little bit. So she's freeze scented. So she's peppermint, bergamot and sweet wild orange. Oh, I think I did say actually in my video that it might be an interesting mix, this one, to try. Because obviously it's got the fruit in there, but then it's also got peppermint, so it's a bit of a mixture. I'm excited to try that one. I think that's going to be lovely in the bath. I would like to see how strong the scent is in the tub as well. Oh, I forgot I got this. So cute. This is one of these little Puku bath bombs. So you can get the little gift sets of these, can't you? And then recently they've brought them out individually. They're £3 each. So I thought I'll just give one a go, see how it is. Then if I like it, I can get one of the little gift sets. So there it is. Really cute. We had one of these in a Fresh and Flowers box not long ago as well, and I really did like it. It was lovely. That is nice. That's like fruity with a twinge. Interesting. So this one's called San San, and it says Bright Shining Energy. So you've got boot shoot oil, juniper berry, davana, lime, neroli, seaweed powder. Got loads in there. It's sweet but with an edge. Absolutely lovely. I'm excited to try that. I just thought I'd grab one and see what they're like. Then I got a new shampoo and conditioner. If you may or may not know, I've recently become obsessed with the Lush version, the banana conditioner. It's absolutely beautiful, it really is. And I'm definitely, that will be my go-to one to go back to, I think. But I'm trying, I don't know if it's just me that does this, I'm trying to work my way through the most of the conditioners at Lush to find the best one that I really love. So I've got a new shampoo and a new conditioner to try, which I'm excited about. So the new shampoo I got the banana shampoo that would have gone with my banana conditioner, but I am running out of my banana conditioner now. So this is it. I am obsessed with this packaging, the Lush version packaging. Oh my god. So that's what it looks like. I don't think a lot of people are a fan of what it looks like, but I mean, it is bananas, isn't it? So once you chop a banana up, it does tend to go brown, doesn't it? So I think that's unavoidable, but I'm excited. I want to know how it performs. Like, I'm intrigued. It smells stunning. It smells very the same as the conditioner. I'm not sure if it is the exact same scent, but I would assume so. Banana-y, but I think it smells quite vanilla-y as well, to be honest. So we're excited to try that. Now, to go with it, conditioner-wise, I got the Power Conditioner. Now, I got this because I've heard this one is really thick, but I don't actually know if this is meant for my hair type. But I mean, we'll find out, won't we? That's what it looks like. It smells quite caramelly. So it says on the front, a smooth operator that gets to the root of your hair's moisture must-haves. Packed with hydroseed wheat, protein for strength, and ethyl macadamia to help your curls beat the heat. To be fair, I mean, I have semi-wavy hair, but it's not curly. I don't know if this was meant for more textured hair, but I like moisture and I only use it on my ends anyway, so I'm sure it'll be fine. We'll give it a go. So the banana shampoo was 16 and this Power Conditioner was 18. So I think that's one of the more pricier conditioners, but I'm hoping it'll work well on my ends. I just like something that's really nourishing on my ends so they don't go all split and horrible, you know. Ooh. Then I got, because I was totally intrigued by it, I'm not gonna lie, I've seen a lot of people get this and it seems a little bit watery, but I wanted to get it for myself and give it a go. I got the Snow Fairy two-tone shower gel, which was £9. Can you see that? My camera does not want to focus on that at all. So there's like pink here, then a lighter pink. Interesting. Oh, that's so odd. Look at it move. Oh, can you see that? Jiggle. How unusual. Classic Snow Fairy scent. Not mega strong, but really nice nonetheless. Yeah, I just wanted to do a demo on this. I was really intrigued by it. I wonder if that will mix together at any point, or whether it will stay separate. Very interesting. Again, stay tuned. We'll be trying that out soon. Right, so that's everything we got. That was my final Charlie. It's your final big order. I'm really excited to try these two together because I feel like this is going to make my hair smell like banana toffee and it's going to be good. So yeah, that's what I grabbed. Very happy with all of that. Have you guys ordered yourself anything recently? If so, let me know what you got. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you're not subscribed and you would like to, I would absolutely love that. It would make me very happy, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.